Imagine sharing a sugarcane stick equally with your friend. Where exactly do you cut it? Today we find the perfect middle point of any line. The midpoint M is the exact center of a line segment. It splits segment AB into two equal parts. So AM equals MB, always. To find the midpoint on a graph, average the x-coordinates and average the y-coordinates. Just like sharing mangoes equally, we split the distance right down the middle. A perpendicular bisector is a line that cuts AB at the midpoint and meets it at 90 degrees. Perpendicular means right angle. Bisector means it cuts in half. Example 1. Find the midpoint of A, 2, 4 and B, 6, 8. Add the x values, 2 plus 6 is 8. Add the y values, 4 plus 8 is 12. Now divide each by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the midpoint M is 4, 6. Simple. Example 2 uses negatives. Find the midpoint of A, -3, 2, and B, 5, -4. Careful with signs. -3 plus 5 equals 2, and 2 plus -4 equals -2. Divide by 2. 2 over 2 is 1. -2 over 2 is -1. The midpoint is 1, -1. Always check your signs carefully. Common mistake. Many students subtract the coordinates instead of adding. Remember, midpoint means ADD and divide by 2. Subtracting gives you distance, not the middle point. Remember this phrase, ADD and halve. Add the coordinates, then halve them. And never forget, MA plus MB always equals AB. That's our memory key. Thanks for learning with us. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear, simple lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com today. See you in the next video.